another day of Vlogmas. If you watch day one of Vlogmas, your girl is looking the same. That's because it's the same day, but we're working smarter, not harder. Day one of Vlogmas, I kind of told y'all what Vlogmas was going to be like. I'm going to try to give y'all a lot of different videos. So this is probably day, I'm not really sure because I don't know how I'm going to schedule it out, but it's another day of Vlogmas. So that's a good reason to be here, of course, on the channel. So day one of Vlogmas, we decorated the tree, as you can see back here. Now I'm going to decorate the rest of my apartment. It's not really big in here, so we're going to do the kitchen, the living room, and this little table I have right here so that we can really get in the holiday spirit. So I'm going to show y'all all of the kind of like decor I have. I'm drinking this festive hot chocolate drink I made in Vlogmas day one. If you want the ingredients, make sure you have already watched that video. But yeah, I'm going to show y'all everything that I have, and we're going to get started decorating the remainder of the apartment. So yeah, I'm excited because the Christmas tree already kind of has me geeked. So getting the rest of the apartment in order is just going to add to it. So let's go ahead and decorate the rest of the apartment. Okay, y'all, so first up, we're going to tackle this area right here. It's literally my TV stand, the TV, and then of course the tree is right here. So in here, I have a lot of garland. I use a lot of garland in my Christmas decor. But I'm looking for the garland that has the silver right here. So this garland right here goes on top. So we're going to go ahead, pull it out, and set it up. Okay, so I went ahead and laid it on top of the TV stand. The actual garland is from Burlington. I did go ahead and add the lights myself. So it did not come pre-lit, but this is what it looks like with the lights added. Every year I tell myself I think I'm going to change it because as you can see, these lights are kind of cool versus the warm lights on the tree. So I may actually change that this year. We'll see. But this is what it looks like so far. I'm going to play with this some more to kind of like spruce it out. And then we're going to add some cute little trees on top of the stand. Okay, so here are my box of kind of like trees and stuff. So I did get these last year from Target. I'm going to put these up here again. Probably like right there at the corner. But I'm looking for trees until I find the trees that go on here. Here's one of them. So I have two of these. They're like snow globe trees. I got these from Hobby Lobby years ago. I'm sure they're still there because Hobby Lobby has the same Christmas decor every year. So I'm going to put one at the end and then another one there. And then I have like 3 other ceramic trees that go on there. So let's finish setting this one up. Okay, so that's what that looks like so far. I added the deer and then the trees, of course. I also went ahead, I still have to dust off the couch from the tree, but I added this pillow cover right here. This is from Amazon, just to kind of go with the sequin tree skirts. Okay, y'all, so here's my view. I'm kind of standing at the hallway. So I finished setting up over there. Now I'm going to move into the kitchen. So I have this huge kind of like island. So the box right here, that is the Christmas tree. It goes in the middle. But I'm going to go ahead and start by putting the garland that I showed y'all in this other box. I have garland going all across. So I'm going to go ahead, put the garland up, and then we'll put the mini tree up. So let me prop y'all up. So that was a little bit of a struggle this year. I'm not really sure why. I'm going to keep tweaking with it to kind of get it how I want it. But this is what it looks like so far. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up the tree and put the tree in the middle where it goes. Okay, y'all, so I have the tree up for the most part. I just have to kind of like fluff it out and pull the branches apart. I'm gonna go ahead and add these ornaments. As you can see, everything in my apartment is like silver. So even this little tree right here will have like silver, white, and silver, honestly, gray, I should say, ornaments. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish fluffing it out. I'm going to add the rest of the ornaments. I'm watching YouTube, so this part will definitely have music over it, but I wanted to go ahead and check in. I'm almost done. I just have to finish up here, that little table, and then of course my dining table. So whew, y'all, the things we do for Christmas. But I love Christmas. I love, you know, decorating my house. I cannot wait till I get an actual house. I should say I love decorating my apartment, but when I get a house, it's really up. So yeah, let me finish putting the rest of the ornaments on, and then I'll check back in and show y'all my progress. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. Let me show y'all. This is what it's looking like so far. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add a few different trees on top of here. I still have to play around with the garland, but I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I'm tired. Like, I am running on fumes right now because I feel like I've been nonstop. But as long as I get it kind of like put up first, I can go through and always fix it and spruce everything up. So up here, again, I think I showed y'all already, here are all of my trees. So I need to find the trees that go up there. It's not these two right here. This goes over there. It's kind of like a silver moment. Y'all will see that soon. So let me take this out. I believe it's these two right here. These are from Hobby Lobby. Let me stitch y'all up. Okay, so I believe I put these two up here. I also have a few, like 2 fir trees. I used to have a white fir rug. So the white fir went. It doesn't really go anymore. I don't feel like it, but I'm still gonna use them until I find something else. So I think I'm gonna put these two at the edge, like so. Just pretend like you can see for now, because I know y'all did not just see me do that, but I put one at the end, and then I think I'm gonna go ahead and put just the 2 white ones in between. So let me find the 2 white ones so I can show y'all. They're not right there. Let's see. Here's one. I should have one more somewhere. But yeah, this is what I'm talking about. I have these. I used to have a rug. It was exactly like this, so it went perfect, but I don't have that rug anymore. But the show must go on, so I'm gonna put this one right here. Then I'm gonna go find the other one. Okay, y'all, so I had to stitch y'all up so y'all okay, so I had to stitch y'all up so y'all can see. I went ahead and placed these at the end, and then I'm gonna put these kind of like in between. So one right here, and then one right here. And then that's pretty much everything up there. It's already kind of like a lot going on with that big tree. So I just like to leave it like that. So this is pretty much done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to this area here. This one is pretty easy. It's literally 3 silver trees over here, so, and garland. So let's move on to this area. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you're liking it so far, and let's move on to the next area. Ceramics, and then my candle lids. That is my Echo. Absolutely love it for in the kitchen. It's basically no Echo, sorry. It's basically like an Alexa, but I have an Alexa already, so it was a bit confusing calling Alexa, having 2 Alexas. So
I'm having trouble hearing.
Girl, stop.
Can you say that again?
No. So this is Echo, and then Alexa's in the room. But yeah, that has nothing to do.
Here's an answer from an Alexa.
Echo, stop. That has nothing to do with anything. I just thought I'd go ahead and tell y'all since it's sitting up here. So I'm gonna have to push her back for now. And then I have the garland that goes up here. Simple. This one is pre-lit, and it just literally lays up on here like this. Just like that. Okay, so there's the garland set up. Now I have these 2 little small trees. I don't put any lights, no ornaments or anything. I just kind of leave it like this. These trees are from Burlington, so I like to put one like here, and then the other I'll put about right there. I'll spruce these out. Now these are a little on the skinny side. They're not, you know, they're not thick or anything like that. But it's just cute over here. It's just supposed to be silver. Nothing too crazy. Again, decorate your house how you like. I personally, you know, I like simple things, really cute, and it's just kind of like a little silver vibe over here. So I like it. Of course, like I said, I've had the same stuff for about maybe 2 years now. I've done this silver theme, so maybe next year I'll switch it up. I actually don't think I'll switch it up till I buy a house because it's very small in here and everything that I have just kind of works. So I ain't gonna lie to you, I don't feel like buying new stuff. So this is what we're gonna do. Plus it matches my furniture and stuff. So yeah, there's that one. Let's go ahead and do the other one. Okay, so that's kind of how it looks. Again, these trees, they're a little skinny. They are definitely very skinny, but for the most part, it's gonna work. So yeah, I'll play with them a bit more, but for the sake of time, let's go ahead and move on to the tree that goes in the middle. So the tree that goes in the middle is from Walmart. It's another silver tree. This one is pre-lit. So let me take the tape off the box and just put it up. And then we'll be pretty much done over here. It's literally just the silver tree moment. In case anyone is wondering, this is from Amazon, the console table. It was so easy to put up. If it's still available, I will link it. So here's the bottom for the tree. And then I literally, like I said, just put it right in the middle. Okay, y'all, so that's what this looks like. As you can see, it's literally just 3 trees. I also have this right here. I'm not really sure where this was from. My boyfriend's mom got me this, so I'm gonna put this right here, kind of like next to it, and then that'll be all for right here. So yeah, that's this area. I'm now gonna go ahead and move on to the table. Let's go ahead and do the table. So here's the table right now. This is what it's looking like. Don't mind it. So I've already kind of have the garland that goes here. I'll be taking this off and putting it somewhere else. I may move that. Actually, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but this is what we have right here. So let me go ahead and fix this area. Okay, y'all, so this is what it ends up looking like. So you can see, just like that. Now I'm gonna kind of clean up, put up all of the boxes and stuff, and then I'll show y'all a full pan of kind of like what we, or I should say what I finished up doing. So yeah, let me go ahead and pick everything up and then I'll show y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm finally done. That took like a few hours, but for the most part, I'm done. I'm just gonna go through and touch it up and make some things like cuter, like pull some garland apart. Some of the trees do the same thing. But real quick, I'm gonna show y'all everything we got done. So again, if you watched Vlogmas Day 1, you saw the tree. In today's vlog, we tackled the TV stand. Over here, I have my silver tree forest moment going on right here. And then of course, over here, I showed y'all the, I'm trying to come over here so y'all can see an overview. I showed y'all the island area. And then of course, here's the table. So your girl is tired. Like I said, I put up everything except for the tree by myself. So I'm sorry, the camera probably crazy right now. But y'all, I feel like I look crazy. I'm already oily. Your girl was sweating trying to get this done. But again, I love Christmas. I'm happy with how it came out. I can't wait for it to get dark outside so you really get the vibe. So I'm gonna go ahead and close off today's vlog. Hopefully you enjoyed watching me decorate or transform my little apartment, I should say. And I will see y'all in tomorrow's Vlogmas video. Again, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment, all of that good stuff. And until tomorrow, I will see y'all later. Bye.